Hi, my name's Karina.
Hello, I go by Vin.
Hi, my name's IK.
Hello, I'm Patrick.
And my name is Astro. And as a team, we've been developing the project Glass Husky based off of the website Glassdoor. Whereas instead of looking for standard jobs, we are reviewing and going over co-ops at Northeastern, with the idea being that with the environment of co-ops and their very nature, it can be hard to understand how actually effective or important a co-op can be. So we wanted to create this site to kind of allow students to post reviews and to get a better sense of what co-ops are like before they might be able to take them if from which are those reviews are posted by people who've already taken the co-op in the past. So they can help others understand, what might challenges might appear and what is good about the co-op in the first place.
So now we'll go over all of our routes, starting with the answers
So answers, we have get, put, post, delete routes so that we can view, edit, and delete answers.
and colleges.
Um, for colleges, same kind of thing. Get, put, post, delete. Fairly standard.
Yep. Companies as well, get, put, post, delete.
For industries, we have get, put, post, and delete to update the info from that data table.
Same thing for positions. Get, put, post, delete.
And then questions follows that same pattern of get, put, post, delete.
For the reviewers, also following that pattern to allow us to extract and update that data table with get, put, post, and delete.
Astro,
So
you're on
finally,
mute.
sorry,
We can
yeah,
edit
finally
that.
for reviews, we have the post delete routes as well as adding specific answers and questions to specific reviews.
We have our login page, and we can go in and first act as the system admin, and then we can go to new company profile. And so we have that here already. I'm going to go ahead and add these profiles, and Astro can talk more on this.
Right. So for our three user story or three features for the different user stories of for the different sorry for the admin user story was basically kind of the management of the website. So for that, we mostly did a lot of kind of management of various entities that wouldn't normally be interacted with by either the job seeker or the reviewer. For example, the colleges, industries, companies, things like that they wouldn't have control over. So the admin can simply add these various things and all like the different parts that would be actually important for creating the right object. And Karina is now showing off in the data grip the data being added. We also have the ability to update the various company profiles, industries, colleges, positions, etc. And for those pages, we also have it display the existing ones, so you can actually view what things you might be updating in the first place. And finally, there's also the remove entity page, which is pretty self-explanatory. We can remove existing entities in the database for any times that we want to just remove any useless or data that we don't think is very necessary. And again, the kind of idea with this was to allow the admin to have control over a website as a system manager would to be able to remove questions and answers that might not be appropriate, have appropriate content, to remove companies that maybe don't offer their services anymore to our co-op program, to update information as we've gotten more info from students and job reviewers, and to add new ones whenever, and add new companies, other things like that when students uh, apply to new co-ops and when they get posted for reviews on on the website and stuff like that. As you can see here are the various updated things in the data grip. And finally, just quickly show off removing each of them, which is pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. And yeah, right. So now we reload the data and it should all the test data that we just added in those previous things and updated now should be gone. Yep.
Okay, moving on. We will now go talk a little bit about John, the analyst. First, we're gonna go into the company ratings page.
Yeah, so for the company's rating page, it displays a ranked list of companies, their general information, and a bar plot of the distribution of ratings for the reviews for each company. On the left, we can filter for the company size, and on the right, we can sort using a drop-down menu for the companies based on company size, overall rating, and the number of ratings.
To talk about general ratings by college, we have for each college, we have all the reviews that are associated with that college compiled into this handy dandy container. We have the average rating, total reviews, total number of questions, total answers, and then the total number of ratings given each semester. So we can see when we hover over that in fall of 2020, we had 5 ratings. And so this applies for all the colleges that exist. Now we're going to go into Ali, the co-op reviewer.
So our first page for that would be like looking at any reviews that that you would already have. You can also update these reviews as well if you need to say change like a mistake or update the information accordingly. As long as you just like click the update review button, it'll update in the database accordingly. As you can see, review updated. If we look at the database, it should have changed, which it we'll see in 1 second. Um, number 17. Mhm. And to move on, we can also like delete reviews from the database. So if we just click delete review on refresh, it'll be deleted from this list and also deleted from the database. And then as we can see, review 17 has been deleted as shown in data grip. Moving on, you can also add reviews. Just have to fill out the relevant information to fill in the fields. So we'll just put in some demo data. Doesn't and once complete, that'll be added to the database, and that can also be seen in your reviews as well. Once like that's been updated and added to the database itself. If you like go to see your reviews, you'll also see it there. And then after that, finally, you can look at like the reviews of different companies. Like you just it'll have a drop down menu where it'll give you the list of all company names in the database. You can see each reviews associated with each company. And that's it for job reviewer.
Moving on to Ashley, the job seeker.
So for the job seeker, the main page is going to be the reviews feed, which gives you just reviews that people have posted and their associated companies, some info about the company and how that reviewer rated the co-op that they went on. And you can see as it scrolls down here, you can expand on any of the companies to see the full review. And then the other page the job seeker is going to see is the questions page. So users can post questions on certain reviews to try to get more information from the reviewer. And the job seeker can see these questions and can see answers associated with each of these questions. Not every post has a question, but where they are present, the job seeker can see them so they can get a little more information.